You got stickers from the nurse.
Yeah. And we're stick. And stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's on my shirt.
Did you get a sticker at Chick-fil-A today?
Yeah. Daddy, remember we get to my checkup?
You're going to have a checkup.
No, I won't.
Sure you will. Everybody has a checkup at least once a year.
At least once the mommy.
Yep, Mommy's already been.
Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong.
Mommy, you got boo-boo on your arm. Then I want to get a band-aid for you.
We did that, yes. Sometimes you have a checkup just to make sure that everything is okay.
Yeah. Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Yeah.
You got boo-boo first. But we're gonna get another band-aid for you on your arm.
Well, my arm's okay now. Just a little red.